Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video is we're going to unbox the Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel, and today guys I'm very excited because we have for the first time an original Xiaomi Smart Band 7 here in our channel. It costs guys around $50 US, or that's around 2,300 Philippine peso. Alright, so yes, I'm very excited guys. So here is the box. So as you can see, we have here Xiaomi Smart Band 7 branding on top, and here the watch itself, the design, and on the sides, so we have here crisp clear full AMOLED display. Wow. And all-day blood oxygen saturation monitoring, which is nice. Rich watch faces, ultra long battery life. Wow, it's really great guys. And on the other side, so we have here supports 100 plus exercise modes. Okay, then also water resistant up to 50 meters. So we are going to try that as well. So let me know guys if you want me to do a water test of the Xiaomi Smart Band 7. And then it has a reliable sleep information recording and magnetic charging. Alright, and at the back, so we have here the more detailed specifications. So now let's open guys. Yes, I am very excited right now, and actually I wanted to open it last night, but I just decided to really have to open it right here in our video recording. Alright, ta-da! Wow, so we have here the Smart Band itself. Okay, in black. Okay, so let's set this aside, and then in the box we have also here the manual. Wow, this manual is very thick guys. This is the thickest manual I've ever seen here in our channel. Yes, so in here you shouldn't really have a problem at all when you connect or when you set up your smart band. Okay, so it is also in different languages, so it's great. And then we have, what else? We also have here the charging cable. It's in here. Okay, so it is magnetic guys. It actually is the same with the M7 smart watch that we unboxed here in our channel, but in this case the original Xiaomi band, it is longer, and yes, it is more premium when you feel it. Later on we will be charging this one. Okay, so all you have to do is just like that. It's really magnetic. It has a strong grip. Yeah, yes, so you shouldn't have a problem charging this one. At the back guys, so we have here the sensors, and then it has the Xiaomi branding here, and the charging pins, and the strap guys, it looks really nice. It looks really premium. So I actually charged it, and then I also set it up. So don't worry guys, I will make a separate video on how I connect this and set up our Xiaomi Mi Band 7. Let's take a look about the features of this Mi Band 7. So as you can see, this is the watch face. It looks pretty nice guys, since it is a full AMOLED display. And then when we try to swipe or scroll down, then it says there no notification, and then when we swipe up, then you can see the different menus. Alright, and then when we scroll to the right, there's a shortcut for music control, and then also the weather. And then when we swipe to the left, there is also the shortcut icons, okay, or widgets. Let's take a look at the application, guys. So we have here a personal activity. So we have there kcal and the steps and the minutes that you walked, heart rate. Yes, this is our heart rate. And if we are going to measure this one, and as you can see, guys, the sensors are already lighting up. Okay, (91 beats per minute). What else? We have PAI, see? And then we also have here blood oxygen. Okay, guys, so our heart rate, it's at 92, and then our blood oxygen level is at 90%. For me, guys, a little bit low, but I will test that again. And then we have here workout. So we have here, let me take this one out, running, treadmill, cycling, and also indoor cycling, indoor walking, swimming, rower, elliptical, jump rope, yoga, dance, freestyle, fitness, soccer, badminton. Wow, so there are actually lots of workouts. So this is really nice if you are a person who wants to go outside to do exercise. Then there's also workout history, workout status, and then there's also stress. Wow, I like to try this one also, the stress level. So here is my stress level, guys. It's 56%. Wow, or 54. Okay, so my stress, guys, it's moderate. Wow. Yeah, I don't know if I will be happy or not. Then there's also sleep. Okay, so sleep duration. There's also weather and music control. Okay, you need to sync that one to your smartphone. And then alarm. We also have here events. Okay, and then let's check on settings. Where's watch face? Wow, so let's see how many watch faces does this watch have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got like 5. No, not 6. We only have 5 watch faces. Okay, that's nice. Then you can also check the time format. Like in my case, I like 12-hour format. Date format, then you can also check this one. This is pretty nice because many people really need to have that kind of settings in the watch. Brightness also, okay, it's all up to you. Screen on, maybe I'll choose 9. Okay, and then we have always on display. This is nice. But in my case, I don't really need to have this feature turned on for now. Also have here battery saver. Okay, you can check that one. We also have here preferences like the language. Okay, and then screen wake. Okay, swipe up on tap to wake up, to wake. Okay, then more, guys. So we have here world clock, so you can set that one. And then there's also a flashlight. Wow. And then female health, breathing. This is I like also this breathing. And then stopwatch, timer, find my phone, camera remote control, Pomodoro time. I have no idea what this Pomodoro time is, but yeah. So guys, I think that is all for our Xiaomi Mi Band 7. Yes, or Smart Band 7. My initial review of this is for the price. It is really nice. I really like the display. It's very sharp. Yes, and I will be testing this one for a couple of weeks or 1 week, and then I will let you know my full review of this Mi Band 7. Okay, and then let me know guys in the comment section if you want me to do a tutorial or a test, especially the water test, okay, of this watch. Okay, so and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Okay, this is Josh, and then I will see you on our next video.